All right, we got a new segment on the show, by the way. I almost forgot. This segment is about the top of trending. We are going to, from now on, break down the top trending video for you in order to provide some context, potentially. I don't know. All right? We're just going to try to break it down for you. Sometimes it's going to be good. Sometimes it's going to be bad. We're going to look at the top of trending in order to have a little reflection on what the universe is up to on that day, or at least the known universe, the planet that we happen to live on. What are humans doing now? And then we'll have a little commentary on what we think that means. So the top of trending today is a music video from someone called NF. Now, I know me saying someone called, it ages me a little bit here, but it's a lot of content to keep up on, to know who's cool and who's not. One thing I'll say, he's obviously not well known to the point of like Nicki Minaj, and he's #1 on trending. So good for him. NF stands for Nathan John Feuerstein. He is a rapper, okay? A little maybe Eminem inspired. I checked out the video. I wanted to get to the bottom of it, see what he was all about. And I have to be honest, Will, I've been on trending a number of times in my life. I end up there. I look around. I sniff around. I see what the humans are doing. I got to do it. I got to know. And I was pleasantly surprised with this guy. I didn't watch his previous music videos. In his music video, it's called When I Grow Up. It's obviously targeted at people younger than me. I'm pretty grown up to begin with. Maybe it's targeted at me. I mean, everybody's still growing. We're always growing. Video starts out. It goes around a room of like a kindergarten classroom. Ask the kids what they're going to be when they're older. I guess that's supposed to be a young him, maybe. And then he ends up on his garbage truck, collecting the garbage, talking about his aspirations, talking about how he's going to be this famous rapper one day. Introspective commentary on how everyone told him he was probably going to end up here if he kept that dream. This is more what his future might look like, collecting garbage. And he goes from this particular scene to then working in a fast food place, taking some negative comments. He's a janitor. He's going through the dirty jobs, the heavy jobs, the hard jobs, while rapping about making it big and what he's going to do when and if that happens, and what that whole experience might be like. And so there's a progression through this video to eventually getting to a live performance in front of an audience. Honestly, I think it's a pretty cool and honest message. Honestly, an honest message. I mean, it's about, there's a little history in there. He's having some success right now. He's the top of trending. He's got 500,000 thumbs up. There's a lot of music that's out there that doesn't really tell you very much. At least in this case, you're looking at and hearing about somebody's come up. I feel like the criticism or what people are going to say is that this is like an Eminem 2.0. You know what I say to that is, who cares? Like, everybody's inspired by something. I mean, you don't want to be a direct rip. I feel like his delivery is a little bit different. But maybe this generation has its own version of this. Maybe there is some next. I like how he's a bit self-deprecating too, in the sense that he's like performing in front of the two kids in the one thing. And then I also like, after he does the performance in front of the big crowd, he goes to the bathroom afterwards and he's not happy. It's not satisfactory, because the drive of getting to the place is greater than actually getting to the place. So I actually read into this a little bit, and I kind of like the message. I think the music works a little bit. This is a rare occasion in which I think you should go check out the top of trending. It's not going to be to everybody's taste from a musical standpoint, but if you're going to be there with the music video, have something to say, talk about your experience, let us know what's going on. Give us a message. Put something in there. You got people's ears, you might as well say something. Don't just show them the visuals. Don't just bring them the flashy goods, Will. Give them something. And so I felt like he actually did, and I didn't know this guy before this particular song. So shout out to him on that one. I can't speak for the next episode when we shoot in here, but we're going to keep looking at the top of trending, and we're going to keep breaking it down. And it might not go this well in the future. I might not take it this easy, because I've seen some stuff up there that grinds me, grinds my gears. You know that, Will. You saw it before. So you just stay prepared for that potential coming up on our trending breakdown, which is the news segment here on the show. But this one, not bad.